The early 20th century witnessed a revolutionary shift in the art world, particularly in Germany, where artists yearned for an avenue to express their inner emotions and personal experiences. This was the birth of Expressionism. In the bustling city of Berlin, a group of young artists, including Wassily Kandinsky, Ernst Ludwig Kirchner, and Franz Marc, sought to break away from the rigid rules of traditional art. They were weary of the predictable and mundane, longing for a more authentic and personal form of artistic expression. Their desire for self-expression was fueled by the societal unrest of the era. The First World War had left Germany in a state of chaos, and the artists found solace and catharsis in their art. They sought to create works that reflected their inner turmoil, their hopes, and their fears. Kandinsky, a renowned Russian-born artist, was one of the pioneers of this movement. His painting, Composition 7, is a testament to his quest for inner harmony. The vibrant colors and abstract shapes in the painting symbolize the artist's emotional journey, a journey that resonated with many of his contemporaries. Ernst Ludwig Kirchner, another key figure, created works that were raw and powerful, capturing the energy and intensity of urban life. His paintings, such as Street Scene, not only reflected the turbulence of the city but also the artist's personal struggles with the rapidly changing world. Franz Marc, known for his use of strong colors and simplified forms, created works that were both beautiful and haunting. His paintings, such as The Large Blue Horses, were a reflection of his love for nature and his belief in the spirituality of animals. The Expressionist movement was not without controversy. Critics and the public were divided, some finding the art chaotic and incomprehensible, while others saw it as a bold and innovative step forward. Regardless of the opinion, the movement had a profound impact on the art world, paving the way for future generations of artists to explore their inner selves and express their emotions freely. The Expressionist movement in Germany marked a significant turning point in the art world. It was a testament to the power of art as a means of individual expression, a testament to the power of art as a means of coping with societal upheaval, and a testament to the power of art as a means of inspiring future generations. The legacy of Expressionism continues to influence artists today, reminding us of the importance of authenticity and personal expression in art.